Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we will take a look at the euro currency, but today we will make the brief look since mostly we have said major things yesterday. So yesterday, if you remember, we have discussed some concern that we have on clarity where the market really could turn to the upside with this reverse hand shoulders patterns that we have in the daily chart. So following the harmony of this pattern, it should happen somewhere around 105.30 area, around the 618 support and monthly pivot support one. But as we know that 50% level is favorite level for euro currency, that's why we can't exclude that market could turn up from the 105.80, the current level, because market right now has hit the 50% support. At the same time, some patterns that we have on intraday charts suggest that probably market could make another downward action and still hit an area around 105.30 FIB support. You probably know that Yellen's speech results yesterday, so mostly she was moderately hawkish on perspective of the rate hiking, and that was some minor surprise for the market, and that's why as you can see euro currency has dropped a bit. So today we will get some important data release. So this will be inflation, CPI, and retail sales. Both of these indicators are important, especially retail sales, because retail sales is a great part, 7%, takes the 7% part of the gross domestic product. And depending on the dynamic of the retail sales and inflation as well, this probably could bring some volatility on the market, and maybe market will show the downward action that we expect to get. Besides, as you can see, between the current market and the 105.30 area is really not big distance, especially for the daily chart. So 40-50 pips, it's really not big distance. But from the technical point of view, based on this pattern, on the harmony of this pattern, and based on the harmonic swing, so usually when the market exceeds the harmonic swing, it usually tends to double it. So if we will calculate the double of this harmonic swing to the downside, it should lead us precisely to the monthly pivot support one. It's around 105 area. And that's why chances on the hitting of this level are not really small. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, finally we've got the clarity. So some beacon, the red line that we have specified yesterday in relation to these head and shoulders has worked very nice. So as you will see on the hourly chart, market wasn't able to complete the 3-drive pattern, has failed, and market has dropped lower. Right now it stands at the support, so you can see this is the weekly pivot support one and 50% support. Right now market stands even slightly lower than this level. Overall action, guys, here, and inability on the market to form logical right shoulder here, because appearing of the hand shoulders pattern here will not harm and just can't make any negative impact on the perspective of downward action. So actually it's not really big difference how market will reach the 105.30, whether it will be the direct action as we have right now, or it will be the hand shoulders, result will be the same. But inability of the market to form the right shoulder makes me think that market right now stands at the strong sell pressure. Because take a look, here we do not have even some significant retracement up compared to this action. So you can see very good action with a normal retracement stance. Here it's quite another story. So very straight downward action. It seems that some kind of the pressure stance on the euro currency. And only minor retracements, the more or less visible retracement stance right here. So we have some kind of the lightning bolt ABCD pattern. That tendency later is continuing. So you can see it's just straight downward action. without any significant retracements. That makes me think that really euro stands at some strong pressure, and it's really another drop to the 105.30 area is very probable. Besides, currently, guys, we do not have and we do not see any reversal patterns, any bullish patterns here. Besides, if market haven't formed any reversal here, when it was really significant background for that. So if you remember, we have the 3-8 support, some intraday patterns completion, neckline, but no reaction to this fall. Market just continued to dropping. Why it should do this in the minor support area when the head and shoulders patterns already has been vanished? So if this hasn't been done on the important support, why market should do this on the minor support? That's why it makes me think that it's really some downward action could continue, and probably we will start to discuss the reversal patterns and the possible completion of these head and shoulders somewhere around 618 fib support. On the hourly chart, we continue. We keep watching with this downward channel. As you can see, that's our 3-drive pattern that we have discussed yesterday. Take a look, market just has tested this trend line, but has failed and dropped, and that has raised this 3-drive. So that was the answer on our question that market will not form any head and shoulders patterns on the 4-hour time frame chart, and probably downward action will continue. Right now, guys, as you can see, that action is not some thrusting action, it's not reversal action, it's very choppy, and minor candles are forming here. It reminds most of the retracement. If this is really a retracement, and as I said, another letdown could happen today. And we gradually are turning to daily pattern. So as market is approaching to the area where the bottom of the right shoulder should be formed, we're starting to form this daily pattern, and especially for bullish reversal pattern on the daily chart. So currently, as you can see, no even hints could be identified here. So first, this was the butterfly here, but it's already has been complete. Market is drifting lower, but right now I do not see any potential pattern. So no hand shoulders, no butterflies, some double bottoms or something of that sort. Nothing. So it means that we should wait a bit more and see what we will get when the market will appear around 105.30 support.